Let's go.
What's more than a body to hold, baby? I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart, and we tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that?
I think I'm going to trim some of the ends. Maybe I should put my glasses on first to make sure I'm doing this correctly. I mean, they're actually not horrible. Try to put a little bump on the ends. That around. This unit was very easy to install and style. It already comes with the layers as you see right here on the screen. However, I wanted to change mine up and do a half up, half down just to see if this hair could curl and hold a curl. Now, you did see in my install that I used my Got To Be Freeze spray before I put some curls in this unit, and they're actually still holding after about 45 minutes. So this hair can be curled with the right products. Y'all know from other videos, I just be curling and going. I don't be setting nothing, okay? So so I'm trying to learn from my mistakes. On the site, it does say this is the 33B/ginger color. It's definitely giving me that Auburn color, you know, that everybody's kind of doing right now. So, you know, I'm here for that. It is a straight texture. So again, I am touching on every single texture for this color. Curly water wave, kinky straight, body wave, and now straight. Okay, yeah, I'm collecting them all like Pokemon. Am I? Okay, thank you.